makakasama nyo, wala po kayong choice but to join me in welcoming you guys for your year-end party. Now, one more time, parinig ng palakpakan na may sigawan! Wow! The crowd is wild, your vibes are ready. Again, guys, this is host Evan Olaso joining you for your Denim and Dazzle Christmas party this year. Now, sa lahat po ng mga bisita, empleyado, congratulations dahil naitawid natin ang 2025. That being said, gusto ko pong i-announce at this very early of the program that we have very exciting prizes for today. Alam niyo po ba na ang ating grand winner for our raffle will receive 50,000 pesos? Diba? Likewise, the grand champion of our dance and group competition will receive 15,000 pesos. Night, both male and female with the best denim attire tonight will receive 2,500 each. So ngayon pa lamang po gusto kong batiin ng isang maligayang Pasko ang PCCS family and thank you. Maraming salamat po for giving me another chance to be part of your Christmas party ngayong taon. At bago po ako magsimula, gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan ang buong management team for your dedication, your hard work, and your service for this year. Gusto ko rin pong bigyan ng pagkakataon na i-acknowledge ang ating mga clients and partners who are around today. So to formally start our celebration, tawagin ko po ang inyong operations manager. We have Ma'am Teresa Agarao,